guys, it's Fed meeting week. Remember, what we're looking for here is changes to what we think is going to happen already, okay? Right now, we're kind of forecasting a rate cut in June. Anything that the Fed says that changes that for the better or the worse is where you're going to see the impact on mortgage rates. If you're a buyer in the market right now, keep in mind you only have another 15 to 30 days before we hit the peak purchasing season. That's going to be amplified even more this year because not only are we going to have people entering the market, but the Dream program is going to be rolled out around the same time, which is going to create a lot of buzz, add a lot more people into the market competing for those limited amount of homes. Make sure you guys ring with an agent and a lender that are working together to get your offer accepted and get you into escrow before that happens. I hope everybody's as excited for March Madness as I am. I cannot wait for a weekend filled with watching college basketball. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we'll catch you on the next one.